Hi friends, welcome back on my channel Nutan Online Study. So today we are going to see how to make lesson plan, and our topic for today's would be impurities in water. I have already uploaded many videos on my channel. You can check that. So here let's see how to make this lesson plan. So topic for today is impurities in water. This is for class 4th. And previous knowledge, so students are aware of, like they know how to use and what is basically uses of water, they are aware of general aim. So we are going to teach them about filtration, uh, chlorination, bleaching, and to enable them to understand importance of filtration. Okay, and after that specific objectives, so here we have to tell whatever objectives are or motives are behind teaching this specific topic or subject. Now teaching aids, so whatever teaching aids we are going to use, like chart, model, whatever you are going to take help of, you have to write all those things. Now let's turn the page and let's see introduction part. Here I have written like 5 questions. First question is, what is use of water? Second question would be, what will happen if we drink impure water? So student will try to answer. And what diseases can be caused by drinking impure water? Name all material that we can use to purify water. Methods. And last one is, which is the various methods like to filter. Here you can see various answer that student will give to us. And here is our objectives and specifications. You can see here. Okay, so like this we have to make questions like introduction part, and here statement of aim. So we have to, like teacher has to announce their topic. So like this we have to make our presentation part as well as introduction part. You can see overall look of our lesson plan from here. And let's turn the page. Let's see presentation part 1. So presentation, you can see here, like impurities in water, we have to explain sedimentation, filtration, and I have forgot to draw diagram. So you can draw diagram of this. I have drawn in blackboard work, but here not, I have not added. Here you can see like a list of questions that teacher has to ask to students. Now here is the answer that we are expecting from students, that student will give to us like this. And here you can see diagram that I actually forgot to draw in presentation part. You can draw this like this. You can draw and you can write definition of sedimentation and decantation. And now here you can see presentation part 2. So same process again, teacher has to repeat. So like this you can see, and here is like objectives. And here is our question for presentation 2. Which water is mostly safe and fit for drinking? What is chlorination? And here is answer that student will give to teacher. And here is our blackboard work. You can see I have drawn diagram of filtration. You can also draw diagram of this. Now here you can see overall look of our lesson plan. Now let's turn our page and let's see rest part of presentation part 2. So here you can see rest part of presentation 2. So I have written here all the things that we are going to teach to students. Here question number 3 and question number 4 you can see, and here you can see answer that student will give to teacher. And here is blackboard work that we also have to write all those things, like here you can see underground water and all those things. Now skills, you can see here teachers shows chart, students observing chart, and for teaching it we can write chart. Now let's see recapitulation part. So I have added here questions like, what is chlorination, what are 2 types of impurities in water, and what is filtration, and last question you can see, why is underground water considered as most safe. Now here you can see answer that student will give to us like this. So friends, if you need PDF also, then what you have to do is you just have to comment me when I will come live on Sunday. You have to write there PDF, and you will also have to write which lesson plan PDF do you need? I will definitely provide PDF of that specific lesson plan. Now here you can see application and evaluation. I have added here fill in the blanks. I have added here 5 fill in the blanks. You can see here, and home assignment. So for perfection of their knowledge, teacher has to give home assignment to students. So friends, if you want to ask me anything, then you can ask me in the comment section below, or else if you want me to make lesson plan on any specific topic or subject, then please join my live session that I do every Sunday. On Sunday I will come live and you have to like comment me there. If you need B.ed notes, you have to write B.ed notes. Okay, so we'll meet next video. Till then, bye.